The Funmit Core 300 pet care filter is purpose-built for the Levoit Core 300 family of purifiers, so it fits correctly and seals well without fuss. Its three-stage system, combining a pre-filter, H13 true HEPA media, and a substantial activated carbon layer, does an impressive job clearing out fine particles and lingering pet odors. In day-to-day use, the filter keeps airflow strong while still trapping dander and hair, so the purifier does not get choked up as quickly in homes with multiple animals. The upgraded carbon and specialized pet-focused design noticeably cut down on litter box smells, wet dog odor, and general mustiness in enclosed rooms. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, and the included cleaning brush makes it easier to extend the life of the pre-filter between full replacements. Buying a multi-pack means you have replacements on hand for many months, which is convenient if you run your purifier around the clock in allergy or shedding seasons.